Use this AI automation to save you up to 5 to 10 hours a week to automatically respond to any questions or inquiry from your clients. Let's say whenever someone emails you about the questions, and this could be questions about the product, shipping information, or even pricing. As soon as you receive that email, it's going to automatically check the database, and if this is a frequently asked question, the AI will write out a personalized response with relevant information according to the question and send out the email to your client. If this is a new question that's not in the database, it will first check the database, and if that question is not in the database, it will notify you via Slack with the summarization of the question. And this doesn't have to be Slack, by the way, it can be any platform. And you can manually respond the answer to the question via Slack, and then ChatGPT will take that and write out a personalized email to respond to your customer. And then you will also add the question and the answer back to the database. So next time when someone asks a similar question, the AI will know exactly what to respond. I hope this is helpful. Comment AI in this video if you want me to automate your personal life or your business.